Cinder is a very useful and cheap ingredient that can make our soil media super useful. We will see all its benefits, its types, how to use it most effectively, and some of its side effects. So keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. Cinder is black to greyish colored, rough and lightweight, chunky substance. It's odorless and lightweight, irregular pieces of lava rock. Nutrition wise, it contains a good amount of different trace elements, but majorly it's a neutral, non-expiring soil amendment. Cinder is also called as lava rock, volcanic rock, pumice gravels and slinker. There is also a different cinder in the market, that is the byproduct of industrial coal. So we aren't talking about that. Coal-based cinder is also useful but a little different from volcanic cinder. Volcanic cinder is made of lava rocks, but the coal-based cinder is another form of wood. As though coal cinder is also useful, but volcanic cinder is much more efficient and useful for plants. One major reason of this is its neutral nature. On the other hand, coal cinder is alkaline and contains potassium and calcium just like wood ash. So, volcanic cinder is the one used as a soil amendment. There are a lot of benefits cinder provides to our plants. It includes their lightweight and porous nature, which improves the aeration in the soil. Cinder is also very well draining. It's best to use for moisture sensitive plants like cacti and succulents, etc. Cinder also contains a lot of trace elements like iron, manganese, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, etc. They can differ depending upon the source of cinder. One benefit of cinder is its neutral pH, which is very useful for plants. Some kind of cinder may also have a slightly acidic pH. Volcanic cinder is also useful because it doesn't expire or decompose. Just buy once and it will keep the soil ideal for plants forever. Overall, cinder used in the soil improves soil health and ultimately promotes more root growth, pups production, healthy thicker leaves, and a flourishing plant. We can use cinder in different ways, so let's know about them one by one. The first and the most useful way to use volcanic cinder is to make a layer of it at the base of the pot. This will improve the drainage a lot. Around 1 to 2 inches layer is enough. And then plant any succulent, cacti or house plant. Make sure the pot also has drainage holes. Another easy way to use cinder is to use it with your potting mix. You can add 1 part of cinder in 4 parts of your potting soil. You can also buy a good quality cinder from the description box and use this mixture for growing any succulent, cacti or house plant. But don't use more than 20% of the total soil. It's a soil conditioner, not a complete soil media. So do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Another easy way to use cinder is to use it as a mulching material. This is best for retaining the moisture in dry areas. You can simply make a thin layer of cinder over the soil and now it will lower the escape of moisture, reduce the weeds, promote microbes in the soil, etc. Mulching have many uses. To learn about that, you can follow the description box video. And cinder is one of the best materials to use as a mulch. Following a correct way, you can use cinder on any kind of plant, either it's a house plant, a bonsai, cacti or a succulent. It's not commonly used for flowering and fruiting plants, but can be used. It's majorly used to enhance drainage for cacti and succulents. There are a few overused side effects of cinder that you should know about. The first side effect of cinder is its pH. If you are using too much of acidic kind of cinder, that would be harmful. Be careful, moderation is always useful. Another thing is the nutrients imbalance. It's a soil enhancer, not a complete soil media. Plant requires different nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and cinder can't provide all of them. Cinder also have some dust that can be irritating for skin and eyes. Better to use a mask and gloves. Poor quality cinder may also contain heavy metals. It's rare but happens. This can cause damage to the soil. Better to buy a good one that's also linked in the description box. So it's all about cinder uses and benefits for plants. Follow this video to know about limestone uses for plants, and here is a playlist on different kind of soil amendments if you like to know. And do subscribe to our channel.